My name is Jagjit Rana, and I'm an automotive designer by profession. I've been practicing automotive design for last 17 years, and I work for one of the leading brands of India. All of us are creative in one or the different ways. So it's very important for every individual to identify that what the spark is, and then try to take it forward. Especially in these seminars, one is it is basically a mutual benefit process. I mean, the student gets to know what is happening in the industry actually, and then for us also it is very important that we interact with the young minds so that you can get those young ideas which the current generation is holding up to. As soon as I entered it, it was very green, very open university. I mean, that is what I liked. Students are very enthusiastic. I mean, although the students are less, but still there is a passion in that. So it is not about the quantity, it is about the quality which matters. Whenever you are doing something, just think that you are an international asset now. So when you want to make yourself worthwhile, so you have to compete with the best. So whatever you're doing or whatever you're trying, try to be the best.